Presentation 1 Creo software. This is the different modeling designed by Creo softwares. What is Creo? Creo is a creativity of new product. It can evolve engineering designs, analysis and manufacturings, revolution in the CAD wall introduction, parametric future-based associative solid modeling. It is developed by PTC, means Parametric Technology Corporation, based USA 1987. The Creo element. This is the full form of Creo. Efficiency, creativity, value and teamwork. This is the full form of Creo. Product lifecycle management. Product lifecycle management means from design to manufacturing. This is the different step of product lifecycle management: rough sketch, dimensioning, 3D modeling, analysis, drawing, manufacturing to market and market requirement. This is the simple image of product lifecycle management. Need of Creo element: fast and accurate, powerful design tools, compact tools, ease of use, simulation, analysis. This is the need of Creo element. This is the different modules in Creo software. Sketcher means 2D modeling, 2D designing. Part modeling means 3D. Assembly means different joining of the parts. Surface modeling, sheet metal and detailings means drafting. This is the different modules in Creo element. This is the simple 2D profile and sketcher. This is the part modeling. This is the command, different command of part designs: extrude, revolve, sweep, sail, draft, hole. This is the simple product design. This is the assembly views. Assembly is a collection of part oriented and assembled together. Advantage in Creo: associativity, constraint and explode view. This is the assembly's different step. This is the explode view. This is the surface modeling product. The surface is the zero thickness on non-solid geometry. This is the different features: extrude, revolve, sweep, blend, flat, boundary, etc. This is the different surface product designs, surface modeling product designed by Creo software. This is a sheet metal design. Thin objects which are malleable are called the sheet metal. The main feature of sheet metal is able to perform bending and unbending operations. This is a simple sheet metal design by Creo softwares. This is the sheet metal product, different types of sheet metal product. And this is the drafting and detailings. Thank you for watching.